yeah. And what I made today. Mixer old covers right there. Now we put a little of that Tap Magic on there. And we'll go ahead and finish cutting that on off right there. Them gasoline filler plugs right there. Went on ahead and made half a dozen of them. One original right there, sketched up a little blueprint. Knocked them out of 6061 aluminum right there. They'll be all right. And we'll put a cotter pin and a chain on there, secure them for life. So that 3 horsepower, this is the way you got it bought at the auction sale, you got it home, and you took the valves out, and this is them. This is your valves that you found in that engine. So, in any sense of the word, this one has to be replaced, and so is this one here. It's not good. You could sand them down with a piece of sandpaper and lap them in, and the engine would run. But you'd be doing a great disservice to your engine if you did that. So, with that thought in mind, to set it back to specifications, get it running, we're going to put valve guides in this. It's 3 horsepower. And this right here is a replacement valve. If you bought one on the internet, it would look like this right here. It's a mild steel shaft there. But with the task at hand is, it fits in there really good and tight, which as it should be. Very good. And I'm just going to drill that out to a size there to fit them bronze liners on this one. Oh yeah. Very good. And I've already did the exhaust right there, same procedure. Now we'll put us one of these valve guides in there. That's what we're going to do next. All the time that we're keeping account, you had the price of 2 guides in there, and valve, installing valve guides, set them right and everything, and then cut the seat right there. In this case, we're going to make 2 valves. And the reason to choose to make a valve, this is the intake. It would go right here. But you can already, hopefully you can see it. Where this valve seat here has probably been, well, it's worn and they could lap the valves in there 3 or 4 times. You never know through the history, to the point where that's too big. So. And I'm going to, once I get the valve guide in there, then I'm going to cut a seat, and it's even going to get bigger. So at that point, this valve right here would be below deck. Oh yeah, it's raining outside. not a. Oh yeah. I just went on ahead and knocked out a few extra ones right there. Them fuel hole filler plugs on them 2-needle valve carburetors right there, mixers. I shout out to Tom Limpton there. Ox Tools Incorporated Company or something like that right there on the YouTube channel. I can't twist. That's what I'm talking about. Shop Dog Sam here in Middle Tennessee. The geographical center of something. Hey, y'all come on back next week and we'll get out there and start one of them old engines up.